It's portable, anywhere you can carry, internet access, everything is there. And today, best of the mobiles are there where you can see everything. You can access everything. Therefore, what are some of the enablers? Recently, I was talking to a colleague of mine. His name is Yogesh Agiwal. And he shared this story with me, which was fascinating. So this guy, Yogesh, was traveling from Delhi to Bangalore. And at the Delhi airport, he was just sitting and he found a couple of young guys, maybe in their 25, 26 years old. They were sitting and they were talking about how do we face this difficult situation, difficult interaction we are going to have with the client in Bangalore. So Yogesh was sitting there and they started chatting. And Yogesh told that, look, I work with Wipro and I'm basically a facilitator conducting a program on crucial conversation in Delhi. This guy said, oh my God, you are like God to me. Can you tell me how to handle difficult conversation when it comes to customer? Yogesh told, why don't you read a book on crucial conversation? The guy took the name. What do you think the guy would have done? Young guy. He had a smartphone. He went to Amazon.com. He downloaded that book. 2.5 hours in the flight, read. He came out of the flight in Bangalore, profusely thanked Yogesh, went, had a great discussion with the customer, wrote a mail to Yogesh, look, I did extremely well. Learning anywhere, everywhere. Speed is the essence. Let me share another story, and I'm sure many of you know it. My supervisor is impatient. What do we do so that they are with you? Yeah. Some of the facts, I'm again sure you all know the market is very big. By 2015, the market is going to be $9.1 billion market. And therefore, mobile technology is going to be all the more friendly. The Gartners, they have predicted by 2030, mobile phones will overtake PCs. Actually, it is already has happened. Send these videos to their mobile phones and they can see whenever and wherever they want. Guess what happened? Monday morning, we sent it and we can track how many people have seen these videos. Within a day, guess how many people had seen? 30,000 folks had seen that video. Absolutely amazing. And that was a big revelation for us. Can be used. Because the guys, they travel in the bus, right, in the evening. At times, they take 2 hours. At times, they are having lunch. Nobody is talking to them. They can see, So, many things can be done, and we see that it's a very, very useful method to learn. Anywhere and everywhere. Therefore, it brings me to a very interesting fact that what are some of the emerging trends, learning trends? And I think Sukumaran talked about it, that learning is not going to be the responsibility of the teachers or the organization. Learning is going to be the responsibility of all of us.